Hi, so yesterday I forgot to give an update. I was not really feeling like walking or running yesterday, so I did like an hour of Ashtanga. I forgot to film it, but the good thing is I could almost do the crow pose, which is very exciting for me. And I was very busy editing yesterday the whole day, so I was a bit occupied. Today I had like early morning I had to go for my driving practice class, and I've learned to drive already, but I do not have any practice, so I have to like go and practice every day. Today was my first session, and now that I have some time and the evening I'm gonna go out and buy a few things, buy a few groceries, etc. So I thought I have time, let me just get my workout done, take a bath, and then sleep for a while because I did not get any sleep last night. গরম না? Got this from Nykaa today. I bought this setting powder. Oopsie. Smashbox Halo. Even my eyeballs were sweating today, I feel. I'm gonna go out and do a little bit of it. I think I'm the only person on earth who actually likes cardio. I also like weights equally, so.
Included. We're just gonna do exercises in 30-second intervals, and then we'll move on to our sets. We have 2 sets.
I decided to take a break in between the workout because it's so bloody hard. There were some breaks which were longer than the ones recommended in the video, but I completed the workout except for one exercise which I feel my body was not ready for, so I didn't push myself. I had like beetroot sandwiches in the mornings and I was feeling very hungry, so I'll have some nachos, melted a little bit of cheese spread, and coffee. I just finished the mat fit workout. My arms are literally shivering right now. The end one, the tricep one, that was the hardest. The rest were okay, like not that hard. I will do a few burpees now and mountain climbers and get a little bit of cardio in. I don't want to go downstairs for a run today. Got this H&M dress today. This dress is like super heavy and it's so loose. I ordered like XL, my previous size, but I should have ordered L, I guess.
कैसा लगा ये केस हार के?
बहुत बढ़िया, एकदम चरम सुख, आनंद. I'm looking forward to lose some more cases.
Going through a bibimbap loving phase. Also, I'm slowly being able to tolerate the smell of eggs now. So I have spinach, I have oyster mushroom and corn tossed in gochujang, and there's some chili paneer that my mom made for lunch. Hi, so it's 12 at night. I just took a shower. I did work out today. I didn't work out yesterday because my body was so sore. But today I did work out. I actually walked at a steady pace for like 30 minutes today, which was 10 minutes higher than I usually do. But I didn't run or anything. I was just walking today. I could not do anything else. Tomorrow I'm heading to Darjeeling for 3 days. A friend of mine is visiting, so I'm gonna eat my heart out for the next 3 days. But I'm also gonna walk a lot in general. I walk a lot when I'm visiting Darjeeling, so a little excited about that. Just hope my weight doesn't go up too much when I return. I also think my scale is broken or it's not giving me right numbers. I don't know, I just feel weird that the entire September I was so consistent. I worked out like almost 5 to 6 days a week, and still there was like no change in my scale. So I'm finding it a little bit weird.